Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to go about creating a playlist on YouTube. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is select the Create button up at the top right corner of your YouTube profile and select where it says New Playlist. At this point, go ahead and add a title, description, as well as visibility settings if you want to have it public, private, or unlisted. And then you can also adjust the order that the playlist is displayed, whether it's most popular, newest to oldest, or you can also manually sort it as well. And you can also get it kickstarted by selecting the Add Video button here too, and then start adding videos directly to the playlist. And then once you're done, that's pretty much all you have to do. If you go over to YouTube, just the normal YouTube page or whatever, if you're going like the watch pages, you can select on the left side where it says playlist, and it will list out your playlist over here. So pretty straightforward process. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.